Korsing Terang is opening the Jirpo Chingrum Society and Maranti, the first Karbi to play Ranji. And the most expensive bet in Karbi Anglong, 1,45,000. This bet is owned by Praveen Rompi, our own member. Then who will bet? Korsing sir or Mark sir? Mark
takes the bet.
Oh, yes. Yeah. It's not like that for today, but it's lucky that you're going to bet. Korsing sir will not bowl. Yeah, he'll bowl. Okay.
Don't bowl my legs.
Yeah, don't worry. You're a batsman for today. Yeah. Okay. Today is January 16, 2024. It is 2:44 p.m. in the midst of 50 years of Karbi Youth Festival. We are also opening Jirpo Chingrum Cricket Academy right here at Pinapani ground. Okay, this is the opening ball. Okay, that really is down the leg side. Could have been for 4, another 5 balls, 6 balls. Yeah. Korsing sir, have got all the energy, bring all the way back from Mount Everest to ball 2. Yeah, yes, that is, yeah, good punch of the back foot from Mercanti. Yeah, as long as you don't hit straight, that's good. Yeah, down the leg side. Okay, that's wide. Still four balls left. Somebody. Oh, Dhruvo sir, bango. Oh, actually, we are sorry not to introduce him. He is also APSC officer. Dhruvo sir. Yeah. Okay, scorecard. Let us make it 3. Another 3 balls. Yeah.
What a swing.
Okay, that is okay. Yeah, fine. Yeah, you bet.
Yes, sir. Sir, you also bowl.
Okay. Korsing Terang. Yeah, his batting stance is still good. Yeah, okay. One more ball there. Raju Rongpar, one of the young Youth Morcha members. Okay, that is really played. So 6 balls together. Yeah.
Who's next? Come on, ball.
Somebody Mohan. Okay. Kolo, I'll bowl leg spin. Yeah. Okay. From here, right? Yo. 40. Okay. One more ball. Yes, that's good. Youngster, Anil. Yeah, Anil. Yeah, come on. Because this pitch is meant not only for over a horse like us. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
Down here, five. The first time they playing on the wicket? First time they playing on the wicket?
This, yeah.
It's the first time.
They did practice, I think, yesterday. Yeah. Fine. Stars on.